The usual harassment and threatening behavior from MDIST, etc. The rest of them. Turn that fucker off, idiot. Stop harassing the residents, our families, our children, our senior family members. The City Hall Truck Depot. The family toilet. The city dump. MDIST and all the others. Turn that fucker off. You only feed the residents' homes and their families. You little dumpster fuckers. Stop harassing and threatening residents here. Families were living here long before that building even existed. Decades before the sick Aries disease showed up. Or Carlos and Shurian. Good God. We were all here long before any rat fuckers. We'll learn this shit from all of you. Watch the devil piss a port, should it shovel it. Just like home. 24/7, 365. The stench out here, more pissing with this disease. City not so beautiful after all. It's always open. Now the alleys that tell us the dumpsters in the sewers. The Canton effect. Immeasurably obnoxious, unbelievably disgusting, dangerously toxic, 24/7, 365. We're living here long before any of this shit ever showed up. Courtesy of City Hall. Fuckers, fucking those dumpsters. Nothing but professional shit. Professional trash. People say for years ago before my house we knew was still want to live here for the quality of life. God, this smells terrible. I would live here. Margaret Pass. So sick. So vile. So disgusting. So toxic. Coral Gables first. 24/7 or 65. Health, safety, welfare to the city of Plenty. Right power. Snow refrigeration. Good God, the place is infested. Screw anyone that gets in the way. Coral Gables triple dumpster rating. Amanda Capote, Lowe's Motel, Gables Plaza. Good God, no one's safe. They'll fucking bury you, they'll blame you, they'll harass you, intimidate you, threaten you, they'll shelter you. More on the way, Gables, Waterside. Another family residential neighborhood on the way out. More development notices to just people in the area. It goes to all the residents in this city. They could be next. It's safe and sanitary as a toxic malodor. We have around the present stench of more urine. We're a family toilet. Family sewer. There was a parking lot and a dumpster for this disease. The city not so beautiful after all. Don't blame the messengers. Stop blaming the residents. Families were living here long before this building even existed. Decades before this sick, hairy, toxic disease showed up. It's not just a shithole. City Hall. It's 405 Biltmore Way. It's the mayor's special. Now one day a week, now one day a year. More like Hialeah every day. George Reyes told me decades ago. I don't know, why would he say that? It's the same in any language. And by the way, it's all Hialeah and has been for decades. More massive, more garbage, more dumpsters, more shit. Right out of City Hall. What would it take for this city to start protecting the residents here for a change? Our families, our children, our senior family members, our homes, our property, our neighborhood, from this menace, from this crime, from this infestation. Move, get a petition, sue him. Ask Coral Commissioner, Vice Mayor Chip Withers. Yeah. Wishing every second of this toxic disease for you and your families. This obnoxious, sickening nuisance. Learn it from all of you. I would only wish something so obnoxious, so vile, so disgusting, so toxic, so dangerous on people who think it's okay for us. As long as it's not you or your families in your neighborhood. I wish every second of it for you and your families. We learn it from all of you. Like the whole pickup truck fiasco, causing irreparable harm. So many residents for decades and decades. And the city spending tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars of taxpayer dollars on such bullshit. It needs to go to the voters, the residents of this city. All new development, especially massive proposed garbage. Traffic surveys, yeah. When they built the Coral Gables Mall, all the traffic surveys said that all these intersections in that area were all rated F. And what improvements have there been? None. Just like here. I've gotten so little sleep for so long, this is what I do as our rant. Just showing what really happens here. Residents have taken completed City Hall, etc. for decades. Help reduce or eliminate this nightmare for our health, safety, and welfare. Nothing but blame, excuses, harassment, intimidation, threats, and shoveling, and more of it every day. No one's safe. Just like the Arthur Cullen shithole effect. We're a family restaurant. It's our right. It's our American dream. The neighbors should just go die. In this city, not so beautiful after all. You're all fucking same. LA's told us dumpsters and sewers. Perpetual shit. Harassing and threatening the residents. We've all been here long before any of this shit ever showed up. Before all of you. You're a public menace. You're a toxic nuisance. You're a residential building neighborhood threat. Absolute menace. One of the biggest crimes in this city's history. I'm distant all the rest of them. They're all trash. For a higher standard of living and quality of life. Wow, working's here too. Working. Pest control. Got a fucking bulldozer backhoe and a ton of bleach for this place. It's jammed. It's the right power. It's no refrigeration. It's 24/7, 365, this disease. It never ends. Look at the stench out here. It's terminal. Another rat in the house in this dumpster. City vehicle. Not even close.